got 50 Cent! Yeah, we finna turn this motherfucker up for real. Y'all ready? Let's go. Stunning you on and your ass to get rolled on. Feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You're thinking I'ma fucking fall off, it's so wrong. Hey, like a baby bone dead, destination heaven. Sick politics for passengers from 9/11. The Lord's blessings make me lyrically inclined. Shit, I ain't even got to try to shine. God's the seamstress, the tailor fitted my pain. I got scriptures in my brain, I can spit at your day. Straight out the good book, niggas is short. 50-50 no man warrior. Switch swords like Conan, picture me. Pen in hand, writing lines, flowing the source of quote. When I die, they'll read this and say a genius wrote it. I grew up without my pops, and that make me bitter. I go cases I copped out, does that make me a quitter? In this white man's world, I'm similar to a squirrel. Looking for a slap with a nice butt to get a nut. If I get shot today, my phone will stop ringing again. These industry niggas ain't friend, they know how to protect me. Patiently waiting for a track this slow. Yeah, stunning you on and your ass to get rolled on. Feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You're thinking I'ma fucking fall off, you're so wrong. I've been patiently waiting for a track this slow. Yeah, stunning you on and your ass to get rolled on. Feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You're thinking I'ma fucking fall off, you're so wrong.
Patiently waiting to make you go on the next day. Try to hold back to the beat of the song.
They think they're crazy today, crazy with faces and basically they just playing some things today, saying just praying. A to the K, getting the point, I bring training and whipping you. Staying the market, man, just staying with me. Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. But now that loose with this loser, you just shoot through your Isuzu. You get the message and I get it through to you. You know what's coming, you motherfuckers don't even look through you. Take some big and some pie, and you mix them up in a pot. Drink a little big yellow side. What the fuck you got? You got the realest, the illest killers tied up in the knot. The juggernaut to this rap, like it or not. It's like a fight to the top, just to see who burns with a spot. Put your life in this, nothing like surviving a shot. Y'all know what time it is. Soon as 50 sides on this guy. Shit, what you know about you? Cause I get a lot. Shady Records was 80 seconds away from the towers. The coward fucked with the wrong building and it did. You better evacuate on you. Nuclear showers is nothing spooky. You know I'm about to put this to power. Fucking bitches.
Wait for a track this slow. Yeah, stunning you on and your ass to get rolled on. Feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You're thinking I'ma fucking fall off your soul. I've been patiently waiting for a track this slow. Yeah, stunning you on and your ass to get rolled on. Feels like my flow's been hot for so long. You're thinking I'ma fucking fall off your soul. It's 50. That's the shit. Put your hands up. I said, that's the shit. Put your hands up.
I can't hear you. Make some noise.
I said, that's the shit. Put your hands up. I said, that's the shit. Put your hands up.
Detroit. So crack a bottle. Let your body waddle. Don't act like a snobby model. You just hit the lotto. Oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and then not one of them got clothes. Now where's the rubbers? Who's got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them and it's really not that many of us. And ladies love us. My posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting this party from dusk. Hands up. Back with Andre the Giant, Mr. Elephant Tusk. Fiction must, you'll be just another one with the dust. Just pull up my mother's sons you got thrown under the dust. Kiss my butt, lick from under cheese from under my nuts. Ain't disgust, need to see the game the way that it was. It's a must, I redeem my name and haters get worse. Bitches must, man they love me when I lay in the throne. Fisticuff, the lady give a ready something. Now picture us, it's ridiculous, you curse in the joint. Cause when I spit the verse, the shit gets worse than worse than the sun. If I can spit the words and pitch it perfect works every time. Every verse, every line, as simple as nursery rhymes. It's elementary, the elephants have entered the room. I venture to sing with the center of attention and
too.
Not to mention back with a vengeance, so his up the basketball, the platinum trail back on your house. Come on,
Back a battle.
let your body grow. Don't act like a sorry model, you just hit the lotto. Oh, wow, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them. Now where's the rubbers? Who's got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many, and it's really nothing. Now ladies love us, my posse's kicking. It's on till the break of dawn, and we're starting this party from dusk. Detroit, 50 City.
It's bottle after bottle. The money ain't a thing when you party with me. That's what we into. It's simple. We ball out of control like you wouldn't believe. I'm the big bomb, the bomb, the dawn. I'm King Kong, you rolled on. Wrapped up and rained up. I'm so calm through Vietnam. Bring me along. Bring the sound on. Remember, want to what you want. Nigga, own it. Oh, to the break of one. Get that paper, man. I'm thinking, you know I don't give a fuck. I spin it like it don't mean nothing. Blow it like it's supposed to be blown. Motherfucker, I'm pro. I stare, I'm flex the shit. I do what the fuck I want, so what I treat. Flat ass, birthday bag, classy shit. Jimmy Choo shoes, I say move a bitch move.
So crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just hit the lotto. Oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them got clothes. So where's the rubbers? Who's got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them, and it's really nothing. The ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on till the break of dawn, and we're starting this party from dusk. Detroit, don't fucking act like you didn't know I was gonna be here. Detroit, make some noise for one of the best friends I've ever known, 50 Cent. And also, make some noise for hip hop's 50th birthday, y'all. It's still hip hop's 50th birthday. Detroit, I love y'all, man.
Detroit, make some noise! Y'all know I was gonna do that. I had to do that. Fuck that, I'm gonna try. I gotta make sure I bring them out. Check this shit out. Then we gonna turn up now. Let's go. Little mama, show me move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake, shake that ass, girl. Little mama, show me move it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake, shake that ass, go, go, go. 50 in the house, bounce. Y'all already know what I'm about. The flow sounds sick over, drink drunk, I ain't stupid, that's the